What's up, everybody? So, I've just been like losing so much, and like it's getting to a point where like it's like messing with me. But I know these losses aren't bad just because two of the losses was the Trump tweets or whatever, or it was just like the straight whatever, the straight dues twice in a row, and then today like it was my fault, the loss, and I also took a win today, one win, one loss, but I didn't make back the money that I lost. I don't it wasn't I didn't take a trade to make, like, that's the difference between revenge trading and just normal trading. I didn't take that trade to make back the money I lost. Okay, I kept my rules the same. So let's just get into this. Sorry for like yapping, but it's just like price has been messing with me. I think Asia session might be the move. I'm being so serious. Asia session might be the move. I want to back trade Asia session a little more before I start to trade it. So I'll try back trading Asia session, and we'll see how that goes. But it should be about the same. So well, let's get into. I'll go over the loss and the win. Might as well. So on the 4 hour, by the way, we had 8:30 news. So in this 4 hour, we had this 4 hour boom. We were actually pushing up out of this 4 hour. But the reason for that was the 8:30 candle, and I knew that. I did know that, but I still liked how we were in the 4 hour gap. Yeah, as you can see right here, because it looked like we were pushing out of this gap no matter what. Because if we turn on this, okay, we just swept out London and we were pushing up. So I was like, okay, we swept London in that 4 hour gap. Now we're pushing up. I feel like the news didn't, it helped. It pushed up faster, but I figured it would have went up either way. So that is besides the point. Also, what I'm going to start doing, I'm going to stop doing is, I was going to say I'm going to stop taking like these 15-minute gaps out of in the news candles, because I don't think it's just not good. I don't, the lows and the highs of a sorry, I'm just a low of a high and a high of a data candle is strong liquidity, but I've been having, yesterday I took a gap like this, but and it worked out. But I think I'm gonna kind of get away from the gaps inside news candles a little bit and just start going for data highs and data lows. So anyway, enough yap. So I was bullish coming in, because I was gonna hopefully take it long off this gap to these highs up here. So yeah, and whatever. Okay, so as you can see, price comes down, and that is not the right fib. That is a different fib. What the correct fib is should be right here, I think. Yeah. Okay. Point 0.5 got tapped, as you can see right here, and we displace on the 30-second. We make a very very nice moves up, and I enter off this break of structure right here, and then I get instantly stopped out. I had profit for like the tiniest bit of time, then I got stopped out. So like it just went up and then it crashed. So okay, moving on. I waited for a long time, waiting for 10 o'clock because of that news, which didn't impact anything. Wow, I could have really held. So coming down to here, turn this off. From here I was bearish. Okay, we never swept this low on Nasdaq. We never truly swept this low, right? This low, yes. So I got that a little wrong. It's a little farther down, just a tad bit. So we faked that out, and on ES, what happened was when did I delete this? I did not mean to delete this. What happened was, guys, we tapped into 0.5 right here. Okay, we tapped into 0.5, and we went back up. Okay. So, which also, brought ES up. So I was like, okay, I'm bearish. I want to find an entry. a bearish entry. So we were in this huge 15-minute gap. Okay, keep in mind that 15-minute gap. We take this to this. Perfect. Okay, so 15-minute gap, right? This is textbook. 15-minute gap. Tapped 0.618 perfectly. We're dumping. Okay, and I didn't enter because I was scared of this gap. Okay, we were so bullish. I'm not gonna lie, we felt so bullish, and I wanted shorts, so I kind of was like, so I waited until we got down here. Okay, we took out all these gaps. We didn't, respect any of these gaps, and we made another displacement, break the structure right here, and I enter right here, and then I get a beautiful displacement candle, and then another candle right after to hit my take profit at the bottom of this fair value gap. So that was the trade that I took on that one. It was a really clean setup. Price retraced back in a 15-minute. Retraced in a 15-minute with 0.618 and dumped. Textbook. I could have held, and I was thinking about holding down to these lows. Definitely not down here, bro. Like, I'm surprised we didn't react off this low a little more. But that's besides the point. So, yeah, I was going to hold down to here, and would have been a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. And no, I did not have it was not a 10 to 8.1. Or, this was not even a, sorry, let me put it backward. This was not a 3.87 risk reward. I had my stop, I wasn't that good, okay? I had my stop loss, like, right there. It was, wait, where was it? Yeah, it was literally right there, actually. Just a little lower right here at the top of this high. Just for a little bit of, just in case of a little bit of, I'm blanking, bro. I'm so sorry. This is not a good day, so, that was the trade, bro. I'm just out of it today. Like, I'm a whole week of trading. Next week, I'm not trading at all. So that's gonna be nice. Asia session should be just beautiful. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to back trade that. I'm gonna paper trade that. I'm not even gonna back trade. I'm gonna paper trade today, tomorrow, and Friday, and maybe I'll back trade it. We'll see. I'm not a big fan of back trading anymore as I used to be. Just because paper trading, while price is actually doing its thing, instead of just being able to click a button, price, you can see it do whatever in like a second. I'm more of a fan of doing it like this, just because this is more of like what's like, this is real. Okay, so whatever. Like I said, I hope you guys have a good Wednesday. I'm gonna go to the gym, stretch, and run today. This is gonna be a busy day for me, so I'm hitting legs, bro. Have you guys ever done pendulum squat? That shit kills you. That's it for me. $196 loss. Whatever. We'll be back tomorrow. And if I start trading Asia, I will post those. And maybe, just maybe, I'll trade Asia next week. We'll see. Depends on how this account goes. I am literally down like 1K on this account, and I can't lose. If I lose another 1,000, I blow the account. I'm not down 1,000 anymore. I'm down less than 1,000, but still, I'm just saying, like, this account has been kicking my ass. And Trump, you have everything. You took everything from me, so I'm sorry. I'll let you guys do your thing. I'm just yapping. I'll see you guys tomorrow.